Manjulicious. My name is Manjula. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredibly flavorful, authentic chicken black pepper curry. While it is authentic, it is also adaptable. For instance, if you don't like coconut milk, you can add water. If it's too spicy, you can add less chili. This is a very versatile curry and very easy to make if you have all your ingredients ready. Now I'm going to marinate my chicken. Today I'm using skinless and bone-in chicken pieces. I'm using turmeric, roasted chili powder, roasted curry powder, coconut vinegar, you can use any kind of vinegar, and some soy sauce. Our chicken is nicely mixed now. I'm going to set aside for about 10 minutes so it will absorb all the flavors and juices from the spices and the vinegar. Heat the oil in a pot over medium heat. I like to use a clay pot because it gives an authentic flavor, but you can use non-stick, any kind of saucepan you prefer. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm adding the ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, the pandan leaves, and I'm going to fry this for about 10-15 seconds. It's time to add the onions and the fresh chilies, crushed cardamom and cloves. After about 1 minute, I'm adding the cinnamon sticks, some fenugreek seeds, black pepper, salt to your taste. Again, after I mix it. And now I'm adding the tomatoes. Now I'm going to cook this until the tomato is cooked down. Keep mixing frequently because we don't want anything to touch the bottom of the pot. Cover this and cook for about 5 minutes. Now as you can see, the chicken has released its own juices. The good mix. Frequent mixing is very important because we don't want anything to catch the bottom of the pan. I'm going to cover this and cook for extra 3 minutes. Now you can see chicken has nicely browned. At this stage I'm adding the water. If you want less gravy, you can add less water. If you want more gravy, you can add more water. I'm going to simmer this until it's completely cooked. And now I'm adding the coriander leaves and capsicum. After adding the coriander and the capsicum, I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes and we are done. As you can see, my gravy has reduced slightly. If you want less gravy, you can cook further for about 10 minutes. But I like some gravy in my chicken curry. Alright guys, the chicken curry is done and